Here I have ALCATEL 3V, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, you have to open Settings, then you have to go to the System and choose Option Backup. Tap here to turn it on, and then you have to add your Google account for it to work. You will need your internet connection for this, of course. Here you have to write down your email address or phone. Tap on Next. Enter your password. Next. Then you have to agree with Google's Terms of Services and Privacy Policy. And tap on Accept. And that's it. Now your phone is ready to be backupped. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.